Here we go. Here's the integral. We see this is inside the function, so our u, again, I'll go back to the highlighting, the yellow part. The yellow part we highlight before it's here. And the derivative of an x to the 4 is x to the cubed, even though the derivative of the inside is a negative 8x. And we have a guest commentator. Guest commentators, this one.
Don't trust him.
All right, so here we go. So there will be more comments from the crowd this time than normal. You had a good pee, I'm glad. All right.
Goodbye, people. Peace.
Okay, so the derivative of du with respect to x gives us negative x cubed, and it doesn't match up perfectly with what we have in the equation, because the equation just has an x cubed. But if I rearrange this, if I want to get just x cubed dx, do you see that I could do that by dividing by the negative 8? So that'll give me on this side du over negative 8. You can also think of that as 1 over negative 8 du as a fraction. So now when I rewrite my equation here, my integral, u is inside of a square root. I can write that as u to the minus a half. And now for the x cubed dx, which is in green, I can replace that with negative 1/8 du.
Anyone hears this message, Mr. JR is holding me here against my will, forcing me to do math. Please come to Sturgeon Heights.
Oh. Okay. All right.
No, you are not getting the light. No, that's a bad idea. I won't sing. No, I'm sure you won't.
Now this is one that's not bad to integrate. We've got negative 1/8 out in front. Adding 1 to this will be 1/2, and then you'd have to divide by 1/2 plus c.
Mr. JR,
Yes, Daniel?
may you scroll up about a couple. Oh, thank you. And I have a question to ask.
What's that?
Where did you? Where did the negative 1/8 come from?
Well, had you been paying attention,
I know.
it's because he's actually having that question because he wasn't paying attention. Here it is. When you do the derivative, you get negative 8x cubed. So if I want to get rid of just the x cubed, because we look back to the original equation where it's green, just has an x cubed, I can only do that if I divide both sides by negative 8. So
Yes.
give me a negative 8 on the bottom
Yes.
to negative 1/8.
You can do a rap battle.
Oh yeah, rap battle.
Rap battle? I want a rap battle. I can
Let's
rap like
finish
a
this
man.
question.
Yes, sir.
I'm basically Slim Shady.
That's just
All right.
How?
Good news is that the school is evaluating me this year in my teaching, and they are going to be looking at these videos as part of the evaluation.
I guess you're not having a job.
So,
My mom got evaluated this year. She said it was really stressful because the evaluator was really mean.
yeah.
So maybe the evaluator.
They come in with their mean faces like they practice at the border. They practice that border crossing just to me.
Border crossing people are always really mean.
That's what you think. And what was u? 5 minus 2x to the 4. To the 1/2 plus c. So there's our final answer.